Now let's take a look at example number 3. Dave can clean pools at a constant rate of 3/5 pool per hour. The first question, what is the ratio of the number of pools to the number of hours? Well, if we look back into our example 1, matter of fact, example 2, look at this one right here. This is similar to what we have in our example 3. We said the rate was 5/4 laps per minute. And the ratio that was associated with it was 5:4, meaning for every 5 laps, 4 minutes go by. So if we apply that to this example, 3/5 of a pool per hour tells us that the ratio is 3 to 5. And that means Dave can clean 3 pools in 5 hours. If he can clean 3/5 of a pool in 1 hour, that means he can clean 3 pools in 5 hours. Now that we know the ratio, we can answer some questions from that. How many pools can Dave clean in 10 hours? Well, to solve this, I'm going to pick a tool. I'm going to pick equivalent ratios to solve this. I'm going to take the 3 to 5, the 3 pools that he can clean in 5 hours, and I'm going to set it to another ratio where it's still that same pattern, pools to hours, and I'm going to fill in 10 for the hours. My second terms are both given. I have to figure out what am I doing to 5 to get to 10, and that means I'm multiplying by 2. Do the same thing to the 3, and we get a 6. That tells us that Dave can clean 6 pools in 10 hours at that same rate. Let's do the last question here. It says, how long does it take Dave to clean 15 pools? Again, I'm going to use equivalent ratios. I'm going to take that 3 pools to 5 hours. I'm going to set it to another ratio that's pools to hours, the same pattern. This time I'm going to fill in the pools because they give us 15 pools this time. I want to know how long, how many hours that will be. So this time my first terms are given. What do I need to do to get to from 3 to 15? I have to multiply it by 5. So therefore I do the same thing to the 5. And 5 times 5 is 25. So at this same rate, Dave can clean 15 pools in 25 hours.